Hey fellas, top of the morning to you. It's Sunday, July 26th. I just got back. This right here is going to be the last vlog in this loaner truck. I got done talking to Mad Dog. He swung by here. I'm here at the terminal in the Carolinas. He gave me back my groceries. I was using his refrigerator. Remember, this one doesn't have one. So he gave me my steaks back. He gave me my packs of butter back. There's some Parmesan cheese. Yeah. So yeah, got my groceries back. Also, I got to run by the storage unit. Storage unit / supply depot, bunker, the undisclosed, I guess what you would want to call it. We picked up, he found some wipes there in another state, so we could stock up and put our supplies in the storage unit. Picked up some rubbing alcohol and some aloe vera lotion, so we'll make our own hand sanitizer. Picked up some paper towels, so I need to run by the storage unit today. Finished my coffee. It's about 10:15 in the morning, and it's already 94 degrees. Fuck, man. So what's your guys' plans today? I'm gonna be picking up my, well, 2 out of 3 kids. I'm gonna be picking up my 2 of them, take them out to eat, hang out with them a little bit today, you know. More likely we'll be doing an eating video, one of those mukbang videos. I'll be taking out my daughter. You've already seen my daughter. And I'll be taking out my oldest son. So, yep. I don't know exactly where we're going to eat. I'd rather keep it the videos in a drive-through setting, so we're in the car, we can enjoy the AC, don't have to be around a bunch of people, you know. Talked to my dad earlier today. Yep. So that was good. Good conversation. Yep. Next month, I'll be planning a trip to go see my family. I haven't seen in quite a long time. I'll be taking as many kids as I can. My youngest son, he wants to come, but he said, "Sure, I'll come," but he's got a girlfriend, and she's 17. It was like those things. Well, you know, if she can't come, then I don't want to. I can't go. Or I really don't want to take on that responsibility, and I'm not going to have my arm twisted. You know what I mean, fellas? So there's always next year for him if he ain't gonna come along this year. So what you guys gonna do today? I'll be leaving here probably, let's see, it's 20 after 10. I'll probably leave here about 11. I need to run to my other truck. I've already took all my stuff out of this one, stuck it back in my house. My house is my truck because I'm a full-time truck driver. I live in my truck. That's the way I live my life. That's my lifestyle. That's just the way I am. Anyway, I'm gonna put my groceries in the fridge, and I'm gonna run these supplies to the car and put them in the storage unit. I'm gonna probably employ my kids to help me with that storage unit. There's some things in there I haven't seen in quite a long time, and you know how some things are, especially with me being basically a minimalist. How everything I own you can fit in fucking 5 trash bags, 4 trash bags. So I want to go through and see what I really want to keep, because you know how it is where it's out of sight, out of mind, and if you're not using it, you might not need it. So I want to go through and see what I can give away that's still good. I could just give away. I'd rather do that, have someone else put it to good use, than for me just to fucking chuck it. I wonder if you guys are the same way. So I'll be leaving here at about 11, pick up the kids by noon. They're about 30 minutes away, and pick them up. Do something together, just. I only get 34-hour resets, so I want to try to cram my time as much as I can to see them. If you're a type of person that needs to be home every night and all this bullshit, hey, trucking's not for you. Probably 80% of us truck drivers out here are just like me. You're either young and single or older and divorced. A married guy, he can't be doing this. Sure, there's some companies, if you got a rider program or a team drive, you have your husband and wife team. I don't think I can do that. I'm too much of a loner. Sure, it's one thing to have a girlfriend or wife, but to be around her 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, I'll get sick of it. I just, and in a confined space like this, yeah, I'll really get sick of it. So. So the kids and I will decide where to eat. I got a suggestion from someone that watches my videos, and we've been in communication. Try a Vietnamese restaurant. I've never had Vietnamese food. I've had Chinese. Everybody's had fucking Chinese. I've been to a couple Japanese steakhouses, yeah, which is cool. I like you know, the flat grill right at the table, and they cook the stuff right in front of you, and they divide it up how many people are sitting at the table. So I've been to a couple of those places, but as far as anything other than those two types of Asian places, I've never been. But we'll see if they want to do something like that, or you know, we just make a video at the drive-thru and sit in the car and eat with you. Today, this past week, it wasn't a bad week, other than the fact I've been in this loaner truck, so I've been having to eat out of damn truck stops. I know I gained some weight, gained a couple pounds, so I can't wait to get back in my truck, start cooking again, start eating clean again. Yep. So whatever weight I put on, I'll lose it in a couple weeks. Yep. Well, it's creeping on 10:30 now, so I'll go ahead and get off here. I already told you what I'm about to do, and I gotta go run and get the kids. Alright fellas, I got shit to do. You guys have a good weekend. Stay safe and healthy. Talk to you later. Bye.